Video Editing Crash Course, Audio Editing and Mixing. Introduction. Audio is a vital component of video editing, as it enhances the overall viewer experience by adding depth, emotion, and clarity to the visuals. Audio editing and mixing involve manipulating and combining different audio elements to create a harmonious and immersive sound environment. In this crash course, we will explore the world of audio editing and mixing, discussing its significance and providing you with a list of the top 12 techniques to elevate your video editing skills. Exciting stories and examples. 1. The sound of silence. Imagine a suspenseful scene in a horror movie where the absence of sound creates an eerie and tense atmosphere. Strategic use of silence can build anticipation and make the audience hold their breath. 2. The dynamic soundtrack. In an action-packed sequence, a well-crafted soundtrack with dynamic music and sound effects can heighten the excitement and engage the viewer on a visceral level. The right mix of intense beats and impactful sounds can amplify the impact of the visuals. 3. The Voiceover Magic. Voiceovers can be a powerful storytelling tool, guiding the audience through the narrative or providing additional information. The tone, pacing, and clarity of the voiceover play a crucial role in conveying the intended message effectively. 4. The ambience of a scene. Imagine a serene outdoor scene in a nature documentary. By carefully selecting and mixing ambient sounds like birds chirping, wind rustling through trees, or water flowing, you can transport the audience to that specific environment and enhance the visual experience. List and description of top 12 audio editing and mixing techniques. 1. Dialogue editing. Dialogue editing involves cleaning up and enhancing recorded dialogue. It includes tasks such as removing background noise, adjusting volume levels, and ensuring clarity and intelligibility. 2. Sound effects editing. Sound effects editing involves adding and manipulating non-musical sounds to enhance the visuals. It includes footsteps, door slams, gunshots, and other environmental sounds that bring the scenes to life. 3. Music selection and editing. Selecting the right music and editing it to fit the video's mood and pacing is crucial. It involves cutting, fading, and syncing the music with the visuals to create a cohesive and emotive experience. 4. Foley artistry. Foley artists recreate and record sounds that cannot be captured during filming, such as footsteps, clothing rustling, or object interactions. These sounds are synchronized with the visuals to enhance realism. 5. Equalization, EQ. EQ adjusts the frequency balance of audio to enhance clarity and remove unwanted frequencies. It can be used to emphasize certain elements, such as boosting the richness of a voice or highlighting specific instruments in music. 6. Noise reduction. Noise reduction techniques remove unwanted background noise from recordings, ensuring cleaner and more focused audio. This is particularly useful when dealing with audio recorded in noisy environments. 7. Panning and stereo imaging. Panning involves placing sounds in the stereo field to create a sense of movement or location. It adds depth and dimension to the audio, enhancing the immersive experience for the viewer. 8. Volume automation. Volume automation involves adjusting the volume levels of different audio elements throughout the video to create a balanced mix. It ensures that dialogue, music, and sound effects are audible and appropriately balanced. 9. Audio transitions. Audio transitions smooth out abrupt changes between different audio clips, creating a seamless and natural flow. Crossfades and fades in-out are common techniques used to achieve smooth transitions. 10. Compression. Compression evens out the dynamic range of audio by reducing the volume of louder sections and boosting quieter sections. It helps maintain consistent audio levels and prevents clipping or distortion. 11. Reverb and spatial effects. Reverb adds depth and creates a sense of space by simulating the natural reflections of sound in different environments. Spatial effects like echo and delay can also be used creatively to enhance the audio experience. 12. Mixing and mastering. Mixing involves balancing and blending all the audio elements together, ensuring they work harmoniously. Mastering is the final stage of audio processing, where the overall sound is fine-tuned and optimized for different output formats. Summary. Audio editing and mixing are crucial aspects of video production, as they complement the visuals and create a captivating and immersive viewer experience. Techniques such as dialogue editing, sound effects manipulation, music selection, and mastering contribute to the overall quality of the audio. By mastering these techniques, you can elevate your video editing skills and deliver videos with exceptional sound quality. Poem. In the realm of video editing, we discover the power of audio, a world to uncover. With dialogue editing, clarity we find, enhancing the voices, making them shine. Sound effects dance, with visuals in tune, adding depth and emotion, from morn till noon. Music selection, a symphony's delight, editing its rhythm, for a cinematic flight. Foley artistry, the sounds we create. Footsteps and whispers, a world we narrate. Equalization shapes, frequencies align. Balancing the tones, a task so fine. Noise reduction banishes unwanted noise, leaving clean audio for the viewer's joys. Panning and stereo, an immersive dream. Sounds that move through rivers and streams. Volume automation, a delicate ballet, bringing balance and clarity throughout the way. Audio transitions, seamless and smooth. A story unfolding, a continuous groove. Compression tames the dynamic range, ensuring the audio won't sound strange. Reverb and spatial effects create a world unseen. Echoes and reflections in spaces serene. Mixing and mastering, the final touch, blending all elements we love so much. With audio editing and mixing, we excel, crafting videos where sound and visuals dwell. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of video, sound plays its part. Editing and mixing, it's a creative art. From dialogue to effects, a symphony of notes, enhancing the visuals like magical antidotes. Chorus. Audio editing and mixing, a world of its own, crafting emotions through every tone. From Foley to panning, each technique has its say, creating a masterpiece in a unique audio way. Verse 2. EQ and compression, shaping the sound, removing noise, making voices profound. With transitions and volume, we find our flow, bringing the story to life with audio's glow. Bridge. Reverb and spatial effects, a sense of space. Mixing and mastering, the final embrace. In the world of video editing, we find audio's importance, a treasure to unwind. Chorus. Audio editing and mixing, a world of its own, crafting emotions through every tone. From Foley to panning, each technique has its say, creating a masterpiece in a unique audio way. Outro. So let the audio guide the visuals we see. In perfect harmony, a symphony set free. With these techniques mastered, we'll surely excel, delighting the senses with stories we tell. Ending note. Asterisk 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 Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.